Today, I'd like to highlight how Canon is helping an innovative health sciences manufacturer solve internal logistics challenges. These challenges support the production, storage, and distribution of a complex, specialized scientific device. While my focus today is on our health sciences client, the services we provide can apply to companies in many other industries. These services range from inventory control and materials handling to transportation, shipping, and receiving. Initially, we provided critical help in standing up the company's new warehouse. Our team helped design the facility's operation, including its racking system and inbound and outbound materials flow. Optimizing the new warehouse enabled the company to transition from research and development to the commercial and manufacture and distribution of its scientific device, including the chemical components essential to its operation. The chemical components are temperature sensitive. They require transportation from the company's manufacturing facility to the warehouse where they're safely stored. Our team manages these vital cold chain processes and procedures. We also receive, store, and maintain inventory control for over 800 other components that comprise the scientific device. Finally, Canon fulfills sales orders by shipping the device from the warehouse to domestic and international destinations. It's important to add that all of our practices supporting these infrastructure flow materials are GMP compliant. Our client has said that Canon is helping the company achieve several important benefits. These include reducing labor costs, improving internal supply chain processes, and maintaining an efficient, safe warehouse. They also appreciate our ability to deliver verified metrics on productivity and volumes. Canon brought a culture of continuous improvement to the health sciences manufacturer. We proactively solve problems, optimize processes, and look for ways to deliver additional value to the company. If you're looking to improve your materials management processes and advance your manufacturing support services, Canon can help. Please reach out to us today to schedule a time with the Solutions Analyst.